I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. On today's episode, we got a new project coming inside the Mad Lab. It's a 2004 Subaru WRX Impreza that we're going to be doing some wild stuff to it, so stay tuned and check it out. Alrighty then, let's get into it. We'll do a little walk around tour of the new project car. Again, it's a 2004 Subaru WRX Impreza. It is not an STI, but we're going to be customizing it with some STI goodies. We've already got the big STI wing off of a legitimate STI. I had to drive 3 hours to get it, and we got the pair-in diffusers or stiffies, whatever you guys want to call these. I just put a full 3-inch turbo back exhaust system on it, catless, so it sounds the part now too. It's got that Subi rumble to it. The story behind getting this car here is my girlfriend had a 07 Impreza wagon and the timing belt went, so she needed a new car, so she ended up picking up a 2002 Bug-Eye. So when I ended up taking her car out for a test drive, I said, if you're not going to buy this, I'm going to buy it. Needless to say, she picked up the 2002 Bug-Eye, which I will show you guys on the channel here. It's just in the shop getting some work done. But 2 days later, I went down and picked this up for 2,500 bucks. I just had to get one. It was so much fun to drive, the sounds it makes and everything. Let's go around from the front end and I'll kind of show you what I've done till this point. So for 2,500 bucks, I got myself a base Impreza WRX, stock, lady owned. It's got 230,000 kilometers on it. It's a Canadian car here in Ontario, so obviously it's been driven through winter, so it has some rust here and there. So I picked it up as completely stock. Going from the front back, I just installed some of those horns, hella horns, or whatever you guys call those things. Make it look like it's got turbos up front here. A little dark out today, but got those installed. Ended up picking up some 18-inch rims and got those installed, so that made it look a little bit nicer too. I might end up picking up some STI wheels in the future, but for right now, these really suit the car, and they have a nice wide stance to them as well. Kind of gives it a bit more of a beefy look to the car. Going around, I got a lot of little rust chips or rock chips that the previous owner touched up with like whiteout or white nail polish. So what I think I'm gonna do for the winter time is just do a camo paint job, black, gray with the white, paint the wing white as well, and do a full camo paint job on it. So we'll show you on the channel me doing that paint job. So we got rims, we got the hella horns, we got the STI wing with the pair-in stiffies, we got the 3-inch turbo back catless exhaust, and then going inside the car, it was also completely stock, which it still is. Very, very clean. I just put a nice little shift knob on there. We got the Momo wheels with the stock pedals, and everything looks great inside here. All black interior right now. And my girlfriend's car, her 2002 Bug-Eye, when she picked it up, she had some STI seats that I think I might throw inside this car here. They're really comfy. The problem is you don't have airbags on them though, so these are the STI seats that we have here. Let me just throw that off. So I might end up throwing these into the car. Leave a comment below if you think I should throw these in or not. And yeah, so we got those here. All right, inside the storage shed, we got some Subaru exhaust systems here with the downpipes, and those are just extra parts. But over here, it's a little dark in here, we got her old grill off of her 2002 Bug-Eye. We got a carbon fiber, legitimate carbon fiber hood scoop. And we got some carbon fiber side skirts. They got some nice shape to them, but they do step down really low. So I picked up this splitter to kind of even out the look. Because when you ride those bigger side skirts, it looks funny if you don't have a bumper on the front, so this lip will give it a lower look and make everything kind of match up. Hard to see the carbon fiber on these though, but there you go there. So some nice carbon fiber side skirts with the front lip that we have over there. Pretty stoked on this build. Obviously we got a lot of other projects going on this channel, like this 1974 Plymouth Barracuda. We've been working on this Barracuda project for a while, so we're gonna drag that back into the shop for the winter time and get some more work done on it, throw in the 440 big block. But I could not be happier than having this four-wheel drive Subaru WRX for the winter here in Ontario. We get a lot of snow, so this is gonna be a great little fun car to zip around in, make turbo sounds. Oh yeah, speaking about turbo sounds, we'll show you underneath the engine here. Pop the hood. Bam. There we go. So I did my custom MAD logo on the intercooler, and we just got a cheap, I think I got this off of Amazon. It is a dual port, I think it's called dual port blow-off valve. It's fully adjustable. You can put a cap or a plug onto the blow-off valve area so you don't go full atmospheric if you don't want to. Right now I got it tightened up all the way down, so it's going kind of 50-50 atmosphere and back into the system. It makes a crazy good sound on the blow-off, and I'm gonna run it. People say you need to tune it and it's not good to run the atmosphere, but whatever. Let's run it and make those cool turbo sounds. So that's what's going on in the engine bay here as well. You might be able to see it, but we got the full 3-inch turbo back with the downpipe there, and we got a plug there that I can run an air fuel sensor in the future. We'll close that up. So this is it. This is the new project. What do you say we put the camera down, fire it up, give you guys a couple of revs, we'll let it warm up, see if you can hear any of those turbo sounds. This thing sounds so good. I don't know how the camera's gonna pick it up. Give you guys a little cold start right now, and when it warms up, give it a couple of revs, get it into the higher RPM, and see if we can hear that blow-off sound. There you go. There's a little cold start for you guys and girls. We'll let it warm up for a bit. Once the temperature's up, I'll give it some good revs and let you guys hear what this thing sounds like. If we got daylight, I might take it down the street, but I don't have plates on it right now, as you can see there, so don't want to be going onto some open roads or anything like that. We've got to keep it safe, guys. Keep it legal. Really digging the angle that the exhaust comes out on too. Gives it a really cool look. And you can't have a WRX in my opinion without the big STI wing. I mean, you can, but I just love this look. I do like the stiffies in the middle. I like the 2, but I also like having 4, so we might end up adding 2 more to that and spacing them out equally. So we'll see how that goes in the future. This is another one of the projects here. We got a 1976 El Camino with a 72 or 71 Plymouth Cuda front end conversion. This is a pretty cool little car. It's got a 305 Chevy in it, and just trying out some different carbon fiber paint effects on the hood here. But we're gonna have to mold all this in, make it look all legit. Well, let's see if the car's warmed up at all, and we'll give her a couple of revs. Alright guys and girls, that's going to be it for today's episode. If you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.